Part 2. Still leave them in for about a few more minutes and swish them around. It feels so weird. And I have a puppet in here too. And 2 needles. I was super scared to put this one in. Then this is my gumball needle. And this is my shaky needle. I'll show you all my fidgets tomorrow in this video. Drain water. And take the fidgets out. Rinse fidgets. Just like this. Warm water. Almost warm, but almost cold water. Because you don't want to hurt the fidgets, I guess. Time to see if my shaky needle gets all the soap off. Perfect. Puppet time. Drying time. These are my results. I'll show you